At Hernandez Services, we take great pride in our work, regardless of how large or small the job. Add value to your home and property with Hernandez Services, which include landscape installation, design, and cleanup. We do trimming, pruning, planting, weeding, transplanting, and thinning. We also do brush clearing, tree removal, spreading bark, mulching, chips, gravel, and topsoil hauling. Our mission is to provide you with a beautiful home and surroundings in a cost-effective way. Call us for a free quote, or we'll travel to your job site. Hernandez Services, doing our best to make our environment more healthy and human-friendly.